Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver tutorial video. In this video, we are going to explore about customer and vendor data. This menu or this program is to organize our company's customer or vendor basic data. In the SystemEver, we only using one program to input customer or vendor data. So make sure you checklist the customer type. This is the customer or the vendor. Sometimes has the different data. And in this system, we can decide what is our requirement. For example, domestic sales customer has to fill business registration number, while overseas sales customer not required. And please directly focus to fill all the mandatory data written in red color. Company name, customer vendor status, normal, temporary, out of business, and temporary. Then next, fill in the body data table. Okay, like PIC name, credit limit, homepage, phone number, and etc. And as you can see, there are blue buttons on the left side. Tax info, PIC, receivables, item info, other master, additional field. And tax info is for inputting customer or vendor data related to the tax. And PIC is for giving info who is PIC for customer or vendor side. Receivable for giving credit limit and monitor the status. Item info is for entry specific item related to the customer or vendor. Other master is to add basic info address like email, homepage, and etc. An additional field is for attaching file. Okay, like this. The main function of this menu is to give the company detailed information related with the customer or the vendor data. And sometimes customer has some credit limit. So it based on the agreement. So we can set whether it exists or not. And vendor sometimes comes from domestic or overseas. And make sure data like business registration number and resident if it's required or not. And that is the final of customer or vendor data explanation. Thank you. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.